As you can see, I will discuss the stop motion of an electric fan. The F number is 5.6. This aperture setting provides a balance between depth of field and light intake, which helps keep the fan blades in focus while possibly allowing for a slight blur in the background, emphasizing the movement of the fan. In this video, you will see shutter speed that I use 1/1000 seconds. These settings allow the camera to capture a sharp image of the moving blades without any blur, effectively freezing the action. For the last, this ISO 200 is a good choice to maintain image quality while minimizing noise. It provides sufficient sensitivity to light, which combined with the fast shutter speed and moderate aperture ensures a well-exposed image without grain. After demonstrating stop motion of an electric fan, the next topic will be object at nighttime without the use of flash. Object at nighttime without the use of flash. First, a wide aperture of f number 2.8, which allows more light to enter the camera, which is crucial for low light photography. This setting also creates a shallow depth of field, which can help isolate the subject from the background, making it stand out in the dim lighting. Next is a slower shutter speed of 1/5 seconds, give the sensor more time to capture light. However, this also means that any movement either from the camera or the subject can cause blur. And for the last is ISO setting of 1000 increases the camera sensitivity to light, making it suitable for nighttime photography. This setting allows you to capture more detail in low light. However, it can introduce some noise, which is a trade-off for the ability to shoot without flash.